On the first day of Fishmas, my true love gave to me 1 4-inch perch.
Excellent.
If only I can get a hold of him.
Very delicate. Very delicate.
Put one in there or something. It's definitely getting more and more wet.
Beside yours, actually. Nice find though, and nice fish, piece of shit. Fuck you. It's fucking small anyways, I'd throw it back in.
It's not a keeper. It's not really a keeper.
Okay, I'm going right here.
Wherever you need to do to scare all the fish off, Garth, you just go ahead and do that. Oh. Almost could put the tent over this, eh?
Yeah. Excellent. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Yeah.
I had a bite already.
Shrimps, man. Oh, fuck.
Oh, I got bite. Yeah, got one. Oh, he got off.
Oh.
Right on, buddy. We're in it. We're in it. You glad I picked this spot?
Yeah, for sure.
I thought you would be.
Dope. He's waving at you. Oh, he's burrowing. Oh, look, he's burrowing.
He's making a den.
Oh, neat.
The rare endangered North American
Burrowing perch.
burrowing perch. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a gooder.
Woo.
There's definitely a gooder.
Right on.
Some pliers, are you good?
I got it. Sweet, we're in them.
Good job, buddy.
We're in them. And look, he didn't even get all my shrimp.
Nice.
Frosted shrimp.
Frosted shrimp? I love those. Gilbert Gottfried pops out. Frosted shrimp?
Yeah. Oh yeah, let's catch some more perchies.
How far down were you?
About 10 feet, maybe, max.
Yeah, I'm no more than probably 4 or 5 feet. Oh yeah, there we go.
There you go. Nice.
Oh,
Bigger.
big chubby.
Getting a little bigger.
He won't make any noise. Ooh. Who bonked himself?
Yeah. Good old bear leg.
Yay! Yeah, that's all I wanted today, man. That's what I want to do on a Saturday. Just that little bit of shrimp seems to really do it. Oh. Okay.
Fuck.
Yeah. I hear that. Oh, there's some gutters right there. Yeah, yeah. Oh, here's two more. Look at these fuckers.
This is fire starter.
Okay, grab that. Grab these. Look at that. That's the fucking easiest wood I've ever got in my life, man. And that tree, right? That tree laying down. Okay.
Oh yeah, this will go. You're gonna need some smaller stuff to start it with. But...
There's some at the entrance there. Oh yeah. Fuck. Sick. Stick in the mouth. You want some of these cat's tails or what?
Yeah, I don't know. I think they might be.
Here.
Throw.
Yeah! Here's another one. This one's all rotty looking. Oh. Those are the best things I've ever thrown.
You and throwing cattails like
They're easy, they're sweet, they're heat seeking. Look at this, I blew them all up, Garth, look. Uh-oh. Oh, idiot. Some sticks, whatever. Oh, shit. These beauties. Couple bones. It'll be alright. One more, Garth. Are you doing your own?
Sure. Oh, look at all that perch you get.
Mm-hmm.
Should we eat the eggs?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we gain their powers. If you eat the eggs, you gain their power.
Nice.
Here we are at camp. Successful as fuck day. Death all over, destruction. A little bit of sacrifice, egg sacrifice for later.